Hey guys, are you want to buy best NVMe SSD heatsink? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best NVMe SSD heatsink that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at Samsung Heatsink SSD 2T BTHE Samsung 990. PRO Gen4 SSD with Heatsink is a powerhouse designed for ultimate speed and performance. Boasting blazing read-write speeds up to 7,456,900 of a megabyte per second. It delivers near-max PCIe 4.0 performance, perfect for gamers, video editors, and heavy computing tasks. Compared to the 980 Pro, it offers over 55% better random performance, ensuring smoother multitasking and faster load times. The integrated ultra-slim heatsink efficiently dissipates heat, maintaining stable temperatures and preventing slowdowns, making it ideal for intensive use. Available in storage sizes from 1 TB to 4 TB, it provides ample space for games, projects, and data. Designed with PS5 compatibility in mind, it's a great upgrade for next-gen consoles and high-end PCs alike. Samsung's reputation as the world's top flash memory brand shines through in this cutting-edge SSD. Now our second product is Glotrends Heatsink SSD THEM2 SSD Heatsink is an excellent cooling solution designed for PC, PS5, and PS5 Slim with all 2280M. 2 SSDs 22 by 70 by 3 mm. It effectively reduces SSD temperatures by 5 to 20 degrees Celsius. Especially useful when NVMe SSDs heat up to 50 degrees Celsius or higher. The aluminum body passively cools the main control chip, maintaining optimal performance and extending the SSD's lifespan. Installation: it's flexible and user-friendly. Offering 2 metal clasps and 2 rubber bands, you can use either or both for a secure fit. The included thermal pad ensures efficient heat transfer while being safe and non-damaging to your SSD. This cost-effective heatsink kit comes with 2 sets, providing great value for keeping your M2 drives cool and reliable during heavy use. Our third product is Crucial Heatsink SSD THE Gen4 SSD offers next-level performance with blazing speeds up to 7,100 megabytes per second, significantly speeding up boot-ups, file transfers, and game loads without sacrificing quality. Its integrated heatsink is specifically designed to fit PlayStation 5 consoles, ensuring optimal temperature control during intense gaming sessions. Experience nearly 20% faster boot-ups and gameplay, making your gaming smoother and more responsive. Beyond gaming, it boosts productivity with up to 20% faster performance in real-world tasks like Windows booting and running applications such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Excel, and PowerPoint. Additionally, it offers up to 40% better power efficiency compared to previous Gen 4 SSDs, meaning you get more done while preserving battery life. This SSD is an excellent choice for gamers and professionals seeking speed, reliability, and efficiency in one powerful package. Now number 4. WD_Black Heatsink SSD THE WD_Black SN850 XSSD transforms your gaming PC or workstation with lightning-fast speeds up to 7,300 megabytes per second, delivering incredibly short load times and seamless performance. With capacities up to 8 terabytes, built on reliable Western Digital TLC 3D NAND technology, you can store more games without worrying about space. The optional heatsink version keeps your drive cool during intense gaming sessions, maintaining peak performance. The WD_Black dashboard windows only offers useful tools like drive health monitoring, RGB lighting customization for heatsink models, and Game Mode 2.04 optimized gaming. packed with future-forward features such as predictive loading, overhead balancing, and adaptive thermal management. This SSD is designed to boost speed, efficiency, and gaming experience, ideal for serious gamers and professionals seeking top-tier storage performance. And our last choice is Yottamaster Heatsink SSD THE Yottamaster YSC. SSD offers an all-in-one storage upgrade with an innovative cooling system combining iSkin, hydrogel film, aluminum alloy shell, heatsink, and thermal pad to keep your SSD cool during intense use. Powered by a PCIe Gen 4 controller and NVMe 2.0 support, it delivers blazing read-write speeds up to 7,456,600 MBS for fast, seamless performance. Built with 232-layer 3D TLC NAND flash, it boasts exceptional durability with over 1.5 million hours MTBF and 1200 TBW endurance, ideal for heavy workloads. Fully compatible with PS5 and PC, it ensures faster load times and smoother gaming. Available in 1 TB, 2 TB, and 4 TB capacities, it offers ample space for your entire game library without deleting favorites. Note: the integrated cooling design should not be disassembled to avoid damage or performance loss. A great choice for gamers and power users. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.